morning. Hello, crafty friends, and happy Saturday. We made it to another weekend.
I know, I'm excited. Weekend! Woo, woo.
And the end of another month. I can't believe.
That I am not as excited about.
Guess what it's going to be soon?
What?
It's going to be May. Did you want me to sing it like I did last year?
Yes, I would love that.
No, I probably shouldn't. But all of your Justin Timberlake, it's going to be May memes are going to start showing up in your feeds. So just a heads up, just a little smile.
It's almost
every time
May.
you see one. Think about me last year and my Justin Timberlake impression. It was great. We are excited today to join you for our last release reveal of April, which means that our Tuesday release is our card making kit.
Yes.
And I am so excited about this one. Are you? Okay, well, let's get ready to jam together then.
Let's jam out.
Let's jam.
I'm ready.
Here we go. All right, this is a look at our April kit, and it is called Let's Jam. And we're not talking about jamming out to music, although we love a good song.
We do, yeah.
We are jamming out with preserves, with jams and jellies, and all of the cute accoutrements that go with that theme. So your kit this month will come packaged in our zipper pouch. Let's open it up and take a look at what's inside. Heather Nichols designed the elements in this kit, and I just think her style lends so well to this theme with kind of her a little bit rustic, a little bit country looking. Jams remind me of the farmer's market.
Me
and
too.
I'm
a fan of farmer market jams.
Yes.
I always find the lady at ours who has all the fun flavors. She's got like 100 different kinds of jam.
Orange marmalade and cinnamon apple.
Friends, tell us what your favorite jam or preserve is.
Yes.
Because I would like to try as many new flavors as I possibly can this summer.
And are you a jam fan or a jelly fan?
True.
Because it took me a long time to know that jam has stuff in it, and jelly is just the spread.
Goo.
The goo.
I mean, is that technical? Probably
yes,
not. But
jelly is just the goo.
the goo.
I have determined I don't love jams.
Okay.
I don't like chunks
Fruit?
in my preserves. So I usually go
How are
for.
we sisters?
I guess maybe it depends on the preserve, because
True.
I like orange marmalade that has like a little orange rind in it.
The zest.
But strawberry jam with big chunks of strawberry in it, I am not. I pick out the chunks.
Really?
Because John likes jam. And so
Yes.
we buy jam to have in the house, and then I just pick the chunks out and he eats the chunks.
Wow.
So I guess we were made to be together.
Yes.
So one of us
Perfect
can
match.
make use of the chunky jam. Okay, we are getting a little off track here. But we are excited about this month's kit, as you can tell. It all starts with the Let's Jam stamp and stencil combo. This is a rubber stamp, so if I open this up and share what this looks like, it'll give you a good idea of how you're going to be able to make these jam jars. So we have one stamp that has 6 different jars on it. And then you have a set of 2 stencils. So one of your stencils will fill in the color of whatever jam you're making. And then the other one will fill in the lid color. So we've done a lot of silver lids, gold lids, yellow lids. So those are the 2 stencils that will fill in that stamped image. And you can stamp that, as you can see on the front, it's in black. We've done some silver embossing powder, some gray ink on there to kind of give it the illusion of glass. So lots of different ways you can fill in this imagery. And then when you want to cut it out, you're going to grab your Let's Jam coordinating die and cut all 6 of the jars in one pass with that single die. And then if you want to further decorate your jars, we have our Let's Jam accessories that give you these cute little toppers,
I love that.
like the little fabric topper that is on a cute jar of farmer's market jam. I love that. So
I call those jam doilies.
these are your little jam doilies.
Yes.
Yes. And they fit on the different sizes of the jars. You'll see in some of the samples how we've stamped them with some of our fabric texture stamps to make them look more like fabric, which is kind of fun. And then you have the lids if you want to be able to pop those up on top of your stamped image. A cute little bow to add to your jam doily. I got to get on board with the jam doily. And then we also have the labels for your jam jars. So you may want to just accent those labels with some of the different fruits that are inside the jar. So we have this little stamp set that says it is called Fruit Flavors, and we have all the different kind of, not every fruit, but many of the fruits in there. We've got peach, there's grapes, there's raspberries or blackberries, strawberry, apple, and blueberry, I think are the different fruits that are represented in this clear set that all fit inside of these labels. Then, as with all of our kits, you're going to get the Insiders Let's Jam. And these are pretty great.
I know!
And here is what some of them say. I'm really grateful for all you do. Put a little grape jam on there. You have time to celebrate big. Friendships like ours are worth preserving.
Oh, I love that one.
Your kindness means so much. Hope you feel loved today and always. And just wanted you to know you're pretty great. So those are the panels you get in this Insiders, and there are 12 of them, so you get 2 each of those 6 that I read off. And then we have our tailored tutorial. This beautiful card was created by Susan, and you have the instructions and all of the supplies that you need in order to recreate this card. So the idea here is that as soon as you get your kit, you're feeling inspired to get started. You can either start with that tailored tutorial, or you can grab this card, which is going to take you by scanning this with your phone. Click through to the link that pops up on your phone, and you will be taken to the Pinterest gallery where all of our design team samples are located, and that will get you inspired to start creating. So that is the Let's Jam kit. As you guys know, we love to put some add-ons together in case you want to just increase the versatility, add more options, and we have those available here as well. So first, I've got more Insiders panels, so these do come in the kit, and if you want more of them, you can purchase them outside of the kit as well. Then we have our cute little Let's Jam envelope seals. Let's take a look at these. Look at those.
Adorable.
The 2 probably most used types of jam, strawberry and grape, right? I think that's what most grocery stores would say is like biggest purchased. Most purchased jams. You get 5 of the strawberry and 5 of the grape. And then we have some additional things. So I know I showed you those labels that you can stamp your different fruits on, but we also made you a sticker sheet of all these labels. So you get peach, apple, you have the grape and the strawberry, and there's a couple hidden down here, I think blueberry and another one. So these are just tiny labels already pre-done that you can that they size perfectly to fit on your jam jar.
As soon as you said stickers, I said, add to cart.
Yes, please. So these are going to make the process a little bit easier.
Yes.
But then with your kit, you get all of the elements to be able to, since these are consumable, you have the elements in your kit to be able to continue creating these even after the stickers are gone.
So these also work with those dies that come in the kit, the little label ones. You can stick them into the little labels to make those.
They are I think they're the same size. So
okay,
you could,
perfect.
if you wanted a little more thickness, you could stick the sticker onto the label cut from cardstock.
Okay,
yeah.
Or just use that sticker.
Or
Got it.
On mine, I think I just used the sticker on what I saw on the design team as well.
Ooh.
So, yeah. Then we have sentiments that are designed to work with this kit. Lots of punny berry and jam puns in this set. You're my jam. Thank you. You're so sweet. It's your birthday. Let's jam. I like this one. You're so grape. Jam-packed with love and berry glad we're friends. And then you get a couple small ones that are sized to fit on the jar labels if you wanted to put words on your jar label instead of the fruits. And then the coordinating die set for this, you have your Spread the Love stamp set and the coordinating dies that can be purchased outside of the kit. And then we have the Toast to My Jam die set. So what do you think of when you think of jam? You think of toast,
yes.
right? Mm-hmm. So we had to make this little piece of toast. There's a plate to put it on and a little knife to spread your jam or your jelly with.
You have a whole setup.
It's perfect. We have lots of exciting things to go with this jam kit. And all of these are available. If you want to purchase the full bundle, you can get the kit plus all of the add-ons as part of our jam bundle. Then let's talk about one other little thing we are adding to this release. If you tuned in for our Pick Your Pairings release in March, these were something that we offered as an exclusive freebie with purchase during that week. And now we are offering our Teal Tools palette knife set into our collection so they can be purchased by anyone and everyone. So why are we bringing these out now? Well, we found it really fun to spread some jam into our jars using paste and glitter paste and lunar paste. And so these palette knives are a great way to be able to do that. That's what I'll be showing on my live on Tuesday. And we put together a fun bundle of lunar paste. These are Triple Berry, Midnight Snack, and Love Struck. So you have your strawberry jam, you have your blueberry jam, and you have maybe your raspberry jam. So great colors for using inside the jam jars. And this bundle is called the Berry Blends Bundle, and you can grab that on Tuesday as well. Should we look at some samples?
Yes!
Because this is my favorite part.
Me too.
So I'm going to start by showing you the card we're going to create on the live on Tuesday. As I mentioned, I'll be using those lunar pastes. I have all 3 of them on this card. They get a little bit of a sheen to them. I love how they look and how they feel. You just want to touch them. I did put the stickers over the top once it was dry, and we'll be doing some foiling as well using one of our insider panels on the outside of the card. So let's take a look at how Heather envisioned these. She created a set of 3 cards using the different elements from the kit and the bundle. Isn't that fun? So cute. I love how they all coordinate. She's got her toffee in there and the toast and the little foil cardstock for the knife. I think is so cute.
They look rustic in a way too. I love how she cut this piece to make it look like they're on a shelf.
Yes, there's that stamp with our knock on wood background stamp to make that look like a wooden shelf or a wooden table on this card. And then this checking in background is one that many of our designers used with this. You can see she used it on the lids of her jars and gave it that extra little bit of gingham texture.
And she used the stickers there.
She did,
I love that.
Yes. These are the stickers. These are the cardstocks with the stamp. So, all right, let's take a look at a couple that Sue created. So Sue used the pastes on this card. You can see those shining with that gold foil around the outside and kind of a fun layout inside of the arch. Love that. And then this one is like your own little table setting. She made a cute little placemat. It even has like little fringe on the placemat.
Sue is in the details.
She is. Look at those little enamel dots around the edge of the plate. And then her jelly is, I guess, highlighted with the crystal glaze that you can make shiny. So very cute. I love Lori's cards too. They're so bright and crisp. Yes. This one with the lemons from a previously released set, and you can see her little jam doilies are stamped with that checking in background. Over here she did one of our polka chic background, I think that one's called. Looks great with the quilted cutting plate. You can see that cut into the cardstocks in the background. So very cute, super cute. Great colors. I love those. And then last, this is the card from the tailored tutorial that Susan created. So you will get step-by-step instructions printed in your kit on how to create this card. I love those gold lids too,
I do too.
And the little gold bows. So many fun little touches you can do with these elements. All right,
that was super fun. We
Wasn't
jammed
that
it
fun?
out.
Well, thanks for jamming out with us, everybody. I hope you're excited about the kit on Tuesday. It will release at 9 a.m. Central Time on Tuesday. You can find it on the Tailored Expressions website. And then I hope you'll join me and Whitney on Tuesday at 10 o'clock. We will be going live on YouTube. So we hope to see you there. Have a great rest of your weekend, everybody. See you next time.
Bye.